it's Cradle Forge. Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we have quite the storm going on here in New York. Better get the fucking bread and milk. Alright, this isn't gonna be any special episode. I'm just forging out here. I don't have any episodes ready yet, but when I do, I'm working on like 3 or 4 of them. They're gonna be epic. Trust me. We're just farting around here. No real big deal. Just forging away in a blizzard. What else are you gonna do in a blizzard? Yeah. Just gonna heat some farting around, just heating some things, drawing some things out. We'll move this back. Alright, we're good. Get that camera adjusted so you can see what's going on. That's the ticket. We'll just call this a semi-live episode. Yeah, this is all raw iron I'm working with here. I'm making like a cone shape thing. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but we're just experimenting, you know, farting around. So tells me the audio is going to suck like it always does. Holding some of that heat. Cutting down on smoking the cigarettes. I'm grinding up steel into dust so I can, at the same time I'm doing all this, I'm grinding up steel to make the dust so I can try to make some crucible steel or something like that, like a smelt. Don't worry, I'm not gonna like just do what battery is not dead. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna just put a bunch of powder into a thing and melt it. There's a whole nother process I'm gonna use, and it actually might work. You know, you can't. It has to be oxygen free or it's just going to be a load of crap. Oh crap, look at the size of that mouse. Holy shit, that's fat. Now I know who's been drinking my Quench oil. That fat fucking mouse. That fat mouse has been drinking my Quench oil. I don't know how. They chew right through the wood cover I had on it and drank it. I think we're ready for another go on something here. So I'm multitasking here in the winter because if I'm going to be out here and heat this whole shop up, I might as well get like several things done at once. I gotta put a longer handle on this. Can't push that too far because it's raw iron. See, this thing's a forge and it won't burn my hand. That's why I don't need a stack. It won't burn that ceiling way up there if it's not going to burn my hand right here. So this is how I do when I'm just working around, not actually filming a video. Although I probably might steal some of this footage for like the video for this bow saw. Also, I'm making this here knife stand. It's going to be like a piece of wood. It's going to have the railroad spike. It's very old. A girl retrieved this from abandoned railroad tracks that they're just falling apart, and you can really see the grains. Like this might even be like a really ancient one because it's just the way it's rusting, falling apart like that. But I cooked it, got all the rust off, wire brushed the hell out of it, and it looks really nice. So it's going to sit there, be screwed in, and have the knife on it. My Damascus Samurai railroad spike knife is going to be on there. So it's like a sheath just wouldn't do it justice, so I'm going to have it on a display stand and then I'm going to sell it for like probably $175. Who knows? Someone said 200, but I don't know. 175. I think that's fair. Probably be about $5 to mail it to you, no matter where you are in the U.S. Coffee keeps you running. It's not Dunkin', it's my own brand, my own concoction mixture. See, what I'm doing is this is a saw blade, and I'm making a saw to fit this, because the ones you buy in the store, apparently the woman just doesn't like them. They can't handle the gonzo grit and the power she has behind her stroke. So she needs something forged by Cradle forged, something that'll last, something that'll stand the test of time. Let's have a quick gab at this side, mate. This is what you do when you don't have a press. If you have a press, you're pretty much just not even working. Where are they? Yeah. Moving right along there, right up the thing. Someone's got a big ass truck outside. Well, the storm has stopped. That's good. I don't feel like shoveling all that stuff out twice. Give me a frickin' break. I just went on a hike like yesterday, slipped and broke my ass. Like I fell right on my knee, and my knee put like smashed the ice, like just cracked it like a circle, and it was like this thick. I hit it hard, and it's like bleeding. It was bleeding. It's all black and blue now. And I'm just kind of hobbling around, limping around. But you get the point. Enough is enough with the goddamn snow, alright? Well, according to this thing, I'm running out of power. So, shout outs to everyone out there commenting and watching. I love the comments. I love replying. I love all you people. You're good people. Having a lot of fun here. Stay safe. Don't go out in that damn weather. If you're up by Canada, they say that you could die in like 4 minutes. You'd need a doctor because your shit will freeze. So make sure you get the bread and the milk ahead of time, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Cradle forward.